Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Rupard and today I'm going to show you how I did this pumpkin skull look using all products from Mayron Makeup. The main products I'm going to be using are the Paradise Paints Basics palette and their makeup brushes. So starting out with a clean face, I'm now prepping my skin using their barrier spray, which is really going to help with a smoother application. Then I'm blocking out my eyebrows and setting it with a Mayron setting powder. Before starting, I'm just mapping out a rough sketch of how I want my design to be laid out using a white eyeliner pencil. Now for the fun part, I'm activating the yellow shades by spraying it with some water and applying that to only the center parts of my face. For the rest of my face, I'm using the shade orange and blending the two together with a damp sponge, which will really help to make the application look smoother. For extra shading, I mix together the brown and orange paints and I'm placing those around the areas where I want to add the black details. Using the black paint, I'm now carving out the skull design and dragging that product in areas where I want there to be extra shadows. To make the 3D effect pop, I took the white paint on a small brush and made thin lines in random areas around the black details. For the neck, I wanted to do something that would only take a couple minutes. I painted my neck and chest with the orange paint and loaded a fluffy brush with the black Paradise paint. Last but not least, I painted my hair with white paint and then went over it with green. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it and thank you so much for watching.